So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to attend a free home buying class here through Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go to the top to where it says buy, hover over that, then under buying resources, go down to where it says free home buying classes, and then go ahead and press on this. Once you're here, it'll show you a bunch of different free rent or real estate classes and events that you could perhaps look to attend in your given area. So if you were to scroll down to where it says view classes in, you can go ahead and select your area. So for example, if you're in the Atlanta region, or for example, you can go ahead and press on that, and it'll actually show you the upcoming classes. So for right now, there actually isn't any, but you can go down to maybe Austin, whatever the case may be, and find your area. And if there's any free classes for you to attend that are upcoming, it'll show you right down here in this area. Then you can proceed this way in regards to signing up and going through the process that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to attend a free home buying class on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.